The mask is a mixture of rice, honey and milk, and once you try it, it will be your favorite. Japanese women definitely know how to take care of their skin. The secret is actually one affordable and easy to find ingredient, which is rice. Rice is considered a cosmetic healing tool and as such has been used for centuries in Japan. Rich in vitamin B, it has miraculous effects when it comes to skin rejuvenation by improving blood supply and stimulating cell growth. After using this mask, your skin will be smooth, bright, very soft and silky. To prepare the mask, you will need 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation: rinse the rice and cook it until it softens. Put aside the water in which the rice was boiled in. Add heated milk into the rice and mix. Stir the mixture well. Add honey. Mix all the ingredients well and apply the mask to a clean face and neck. Leave it on for half an hour and rinse it with the saved rice water. Repeat at least once a week for full benefits and to look 10 years younger. You can keep rice water in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Use it in the morning and evening as a facial toner. You can also freeze it in ice molds and use it to massage your face. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.